Hi, my name is Dom Bello, and I'm a forest conservation inspector with Montgomery Planning. My role in the stream restoration project is to enforce the approved forest conservation plan. Once the forest conservation plan is approved, I'm involved before construction starts, during construction, and after. Before construction begins, we hold a large pre-construction meeting on site with all involved parties where we walk the limits of disturbance, talk about the tree protection measures specified by the Forest Conservation Plan, and I'll also require additional tree protection measures that aren't called out on the Forest Conservation Plan. After the pre-construction meeting, the contractor mobilizes to install tree protection measures like tree protection fencing and planking. I'll return to the site once that's done, walk the limits of disturbance again, and ensure that everything is installed per the Forest Conservation Plan. After construction, I ensure that all the required plantings are installed per the Forest Conservation Plan.
During the entirety of a stream restoration project, DEP prioritizes limiting disturbance and impacts to wildlife, plants, and our communities. This process starts even before construction begins. Prior to construction, DEP determines the best access paths for heavy equipment and stockpiling areas to limit the impact to natural resources.
Hello, my name is Andres Ovalle. I'm a forester and certified arborist working with Montgomery County Tree and Forest Program. During the planning stage and throughout the project, DEP takes extra care to conserve trees. We only remove trees that are dead, dying, invasive, or trees that need to be removed to access the stream. Many trees that are removed are used in the stream as a structure for stabilizing banks or kept on site as habitat. Once the access paths have been determined, the ground is covered with a thick layer of mulch to minimize erosion, compaction of the soil, and damage to roots. Planks are also installed on trees to protect trunks from scrapes and banks. Finally, silt fences are also installed to prevent sediment runoff and soil erosion.
Learn more by visiting our website, montgomerycountymd.gov/streamrestoration. You can also contact us via email at askdep@montgomerycountymd.gov or by calling us at 240-777-0311. We look forward to speaking with you.